We're not very hungry tonight. We're tired. So all I'm having is 2 chicken thighs. Actually, they look like pigeons, but they call it chicken. And this lady over here, that's what's left of her
Asian salad.
Asian salad.
I had a sample size of my Asian salad, and it wasn't quite enough, but I like to go around and try the different places to eat. And this is cream of green asparagus soup.
So that's it.
As we go under the Bridge of the Americas, we're through the Panama Canal, and our ship is under its own steam, but it still does have to watch out. Now, the anchors on ships are in the front, and as we are trying to jockey to our area that we are to sit at through the night, they tell us that they have to watch for the anchors, and they are not allowed to go to the front of a ship. They must always go around the ship in the back. So there are probably 100 ships out here waiting to go through the canal, maybe waiting to get a better price to go through the canal. And we go in and out amongst the ships, and we finally get a mooring place for the next day.
And tomorrow we will go into Panama City. And we're getting a reflection, which we shouldn't, but we have a little sunset. And all these ships you see out here, if you can see them, they're waiting to go through the canal.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.